Crew Dart bike check. We got the Shadow Conspiracy grips, Black Sparkle cup holder. We got the Lumina 1000. You already know. We got the Knight Bike Company in pink stem. Fire. Fire. Roughneck. Fire. Then we got the front pegs. All black. Black on black. We got the pink spoke skins. We got the Amazon flashing lights. You know, already know. We got the bike baggie. It's got the tube, tools, all that. Carries all that. We got the OM Flyer SE sticker kit. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Stock brakes. Might put some hydros on here for Chell. We got race face, pink pedals. You already know. Shadow Conspiracy chain, half link on them. Half link on them. We got the SE candy blue pegs. Yes, sir. We got this light back here. Forgot what it's called, but it's hella bright. And we got some V tires. I think these are 3 point. Are these 3.0s or 3.5s? Damn, these are 3.5s. 3.5 fatties. You already know. Fire. Then we got the Lamicall cell phone holder. Very nice. When you put your phone in there, you can lock it right there. And that's about it. Pretty much stock with some accessories. And that's the Crew Dart. Chell's Crew Dart. Out.